Welcome to Dasuhanglish. Let's learn English. We will learn about slang. Do you know what slang is? Slang refers to a type of informal language that is specific to certain groups, communities, or subcultures. It consists of words, phrases, and expressions that are not typically part of formal or standard language. Slang is often characterized by its casual and creative nature, and it can evolve rapidly as new words and phrases emerge and older ones fall out of use. Hella. Hella means a lot or very, and as an example is like this: I'm hella tired after that long hike. Well, as an exercise you can make your own example of hella slang. Flex. Flex. It means to show off or boast. An example: he loves to flex his expensive watch. You can make your own example. Next. Salty. Which means being bitter or upset about something. For example, don't mind him, he's just salty because he lost the game. Woke. It means being aware and informed about social and political issues, and as an example, he's really woke, he's always fighting for equality. Next slang is bling. Bling. It means flashy or expensive jewelry. Example: she was wearing so much bling at the party, it was hard to miss. Hangry. Hangry, which means being angry or irritable due to hunger. And as an example of the word hangry: I'm so hangry right now, let's grab something to eat. Throw shade. Throw shade means to make subtle and direct insults or negative comments about someone. An example: she was throwing shade at me during the meeting, but I ignored it. Next. Squad. Squad means a group of close friends. An example: my squad and I are going to the beach this weekend. Facepalm. Facepalm. Which means a gesture of frustration or disbelief, often done by slapping one's forehead with the hand. An example: when she said the wrong answer in class, I just facepalmed. Snack. Snack means referring to someone who is attractive or appealing. And for example, did you see that guy at the party? He's a total snack. Gucci. Gucci means cool or good. Example: everything is Gucci. We're all set for the road trip. Clout. Clout. It means influence or popularity. And for example, he's always trying to gain more clout on social media. Banger. Banger, which means a song or piece of music that is exceptionally good. An example: have you heard the new track? It's a real banger. Guap. Guap. Slang term for a large amount of money, and for example, he's making guap from his new business venture. Fit. Referring to someone's outfit or clothing. Example: she always has the most stylish fits. Grind. To work hard or hustle to achieve goals. And as an example: I'm on the grind, studying for my exams. You can make your example. Sus. Sus is short for suspicious or suspect behavior. Example: his story sounds sus. I don't trust him. Fire. Fire is used to describe something that is excellent or impressive. For example, like this: the new restaurant in town serves fire food. Snatched. Snatched, which means looking extremely good or well put together. And for example, her makeup is on point. She looks snatched. Next. Thick. Describing someone with a curvy or voluptuous figure. And for example, she's got a thick body that turns heads. Ghosted. Ghosted is when someone abruptly stops responding or disappears without explanation. For example, I texted him, but she ghosted me. I have no idea why. High key or low key. High key or low key is used to indicate the intensity or secrecy of something. Example: I low-key love reality TV shows. Stan. To be an extremely devoted and enthusiastic fan of someone or something. Example: I stan Taylor Swift. Her music is incredible. Go off. Go off, which means to express strong emotions or react strongly to a situation. And for example, when she heard the news, she went off and started yelling. Bougie. Short for bourgeois, referring to someone who is pretentious or has expensive taste. An example: she only shops at luxury boutiques. She's so bougie. Vibing. Vibing, which means enjoying or connecting with a particular atmosphere or energy. For example, we were just sitting by the beach, vibing to the music. Swag. Swag. It means confidence and style. For example, he's got so much swag. Everyone wants to be like him. Next. Goals. Goals is used to describe something that is aspirational or desirable. And for example, their relationship is goals. They're so supportive of each other. And the last slang is lame. It means uncool or boring. And for example, the party was so lame. I left early. Remember that slang can vary depending on various factors, including regions, communities, and even specific social groups. Additionally, slang terms can come and go in popularity, so staying updated with current trends is always a good idea. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, like, share and comment if you like it. See you in the next video.